This is Jay Bowman from ForexTradingVids.com. I'm doing a take on the Australian dollar, Australian CAD, Swiss, Euro and US dollar for the week of Monday the 9th of May. So let's get straight to the US dollar, where we have seen some action in the last couple of days. Now on the daily it has basically broken out, and we've got a target of 76.5 roughly on the US dollar index. Now this has also been confirmed with the weekly. It's also broken out, just a touch broken out, and it's confirmed the target of 76, mid 76s. And on the monthly, US dollar index would reach a point of resistance at the 76.5 level. So that looks like the US dollar will be gaining strength. So let's go to the currencies, majors and crosses. Basically the Australian dollar, it's still nice and healthy in the monthly channel. There's no real targets as of yet on the Australian dollar. The weekly looks like it's sort of a flaggish, could be a sort of flag formation forming. Last week it did touch down on support here and bounce back up again, but really the daily here that I've got is a formed flag and it's just waiting to break. So that's just a matter of time. Now the Australian CAD is the one that I'm looking at more closely, because this is one that I would like to basically take a long out on, and the monthly has already shown me with a break of this pennant formation of a higher target of 115 to 117 on a monthly. The weekly has given me a break of a consolidation to the 105 to the 106 level, which still just merely got there. With daily, we've got a flag formation which has actually broken, and the target is the 106 to the 106.66. So that's the trade I'm looking at. And if we go back to the weekly, that's still the same target that we're getting there. So it looks like the Aussie will gain strength against the Canadian, and therefore if we just look at the Hawkeye, it's still green, but with this break and a confirmation at roughly at the 104 level, we shall see another 200 to 250 points in that. So that's my trade for the next coming 2 days. Let's go to the Swiss. Now the Swiss is basically, it's pretty much hit its target on the weekly, and as the US dollar is gaining strength, this will reverse and also decrease in value against the US dollar, so therefore this will go up. And there's nothing really much to say on the Swiss. It's hit its levels. What I could possibly say on the Swiss is that there's a point of resistance at the 88 sort of 30 to 40 level here on this line. Other trades to be had are basically the sterling. I'm in on this trade at the moment, and what we have here is that on the daily we have a break with a target of the 161 level to the low 160s. That's our target on that. Now that would also confirm the 161 level on the weekly would be sort of the top of this flag formation that broke well about 4 weeks ago. So that would be a point of support. So that's the trade I'm in at the moment. I'll be pulling my stops. With one trade I'll be pulling my stops to a zero risk position and just letting that one go further. Now what else have we got with the Euro CAD? The Euro US dollar is basically broken big time. This is obviously just the same as what's happening to the US dollar in reverse, and there are still some points to be had on the Euro. So possibly probably another 200 pips on the Euro. So that's just an update from Jay Bowman from ForexTradingVids.com. Keep in tune, and we'll keep you posted with any other new up-and-coming alerts. And also have a good day, and we'll talk soon. Goodbye.